Hi, this is Noel Mejia and welcome to Namana Recipes. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make everlasting. To tell you something about this dish, it originated in Marikina, Philippines. It is cooked like Embotido but prepared in a different way. Moreover, it is often confused with the famous Hardenera of Lucban, Quezon. The main difference is the cut of the pork. While everlasting uses minced pork, Hardenera uses cubed pork like in menudo. But the ingredients are almost the same. And here is my version.
Egg, minced pork, clove, onion, salt, pepper, ketchup, bell pepper, pineapple, raisins, carrot, pickle relish, and grated cheese.
In a hot pan with oil, saute garlic till it's golden brown. Then mix onion and cook it till it's translucent. Add minced pork and stir, then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add ketchup, salt, pepper, then mix well. Cook for another 3 minutes. Once done, transfer it to a big mixing bowl and let it cool. Mix all the remaining ingredients: bell pepper, grated cheese, chopped carrots, raisins, pickle relish, pineapple, and eggs. Prepare your tin by brushing it with oil. Then put sliced boiled egg and red bell pepper to decorate. Before peeling up the tins, mix the mince. And gently press on the top. Cover the top of the tins with aluminum foil before putting them in a pre-boiled steamer. And then cook them for 45 minutes in a medium-high heat. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.